So every day there is a new post on the MIT website called the Spotlight. Not only is there a new post, there's also a new color scheme that kind of goes along with the post. As you can see, the headings here and the logo both have colors that are grabbed from the image they use in the post. So there's some reds and blues that they use to create this color scheme. I'm specifically interested though in the image. So this image has a URL that I can go to, and so here's the image itself and the handy dandy URL. Now I wrote a program which uses that URL to extract the image, and it displays it here in the program's window, and the image is scaled up a bit so it's easier to see. It also grabs the what I call major and minor colors of the image. So a majority of this image, as you can see, is blue, and the minority of it is red. Those colors are displayed below in these two rectangles. And when you mouse over them, as you can see, it kind of breaks up into three separate rectangles. And these are actually sliders, so these can be adjusted. And what they do, they're actually displaying the RGB values of the major and minor colors. And so you can edit these, and I guess why you would want to do that would have to do either you just want to change the color of the sign, or, and this is a big part of it, is that the current colors used on the website's logo don't really display well. So if they don't display well on the sign, not all colors do, it's best to edit them and either make them brighter or something that works. So you can either just edit it for fun or edit it because they're not displaying too well. So these simply slide. So by sliding these bars, you can change the RGB values of the major and minor colors. And all the user has to do is right click, and over Bluetooth those RGB values are sent to the sign. And I can show you that indeed it is connected through Bluetooth. As you can see in my Bluetooth connections, there's a trackpad, a keyboard, and something called MIT Light. This is the lighted sign I made, and over Bluetooth, using a simple serial connection, it wirelessly sends RGB values to the sign. Now this program can manually be opened, so you can manually decide to edit it or to update it, or it can be opened upon startup, of course, of the computer, or, which I find cool, I guess, is in the calendars program. You can easily create an update just by setting an alert to open a file, and specifically to open the programs file. And I set at 12:01 a.m., which I thought is the time they would update the MIT website every day. Well, at 12, and it turns out I guess that's not true. So I may have to change that, because that's not what I'm finding. I could be wrong, but I think I found times where the website was not updated around 12. So just the point is that in order to obviously update the sign, the computer must be on in some form, and this program must be opened. And that's it for the program. I'd like to add some other features, like adding animations or something, so you have more freedom, more control over the colors of the sign, and creating light shows, I guess. But that's for the future. Right now, it's just for editing the colors of the logo, or for displaying the colors that are currently on the website, so you have an adapting, changing, fresh new logo every day on your sign, just like the website has. And that's it. So thank you.